Hi everybody, I'm Federica Rotondo and I'm a PhD candidate at Polytechnic of Turin within the Inter-University Department of Regional and Urban Studies and Planning. So my research interests stand at the intersection between the socio-ecological transition, urban governance and spatial policies issues. Current societies face unprecedented risks and challenges resulting from the environmental and climate change. It requires a transformation of the infrastructure of everyday life, referring in particular to the basic system of goods, services, and for energy and water provision, but also waste collection and mobility. In this sense, cities play a fundamental role because, from one side, they concentrate a range of social economical activities that produce the greater amount of gas emission, and then from the other side are also recognized as a source of opportunities for experimenting actions against climate change. So this research claims for a repositioning of what we generally refer as low carbon transition to low carbon transition of cities, and considering it not just as a technical change but as a process that depends from sociocultural dimension, governing secting aspects, and contextual spatial conditions. In order to shed light on this matter, this research shifts the focus to current governance practices and in particular on the involved actors and the relation among them across variable scales and timings. It does take into account social relation among state and non-state actors, special contextual factors in the availability of natural resources of cities and territories, and more multi-level institutional aspects. So, considering the original contribution of this thesis, from one side, it offers an alternative conceptual framework that mainly refers to relational and new institutionalism perspectives, and then from the other side, it also presents an original empirical material on recent and relevant low-carbon governance practices in Italy, looking at the metropolitan context and focusing in particular on existing neighborhood.